After 16 years in the Tampa and Central Florida solar market, May Electric has been working hard to provide homeowners with the best solar power home systems to lower energy consumption, energy cost, and reduce the negative impact on the environment. As one of our home pros, Billy May is back with us. It is so good to see you, Billy. It has been too long. How are you?
Good to see you too.
Let's say I've seen him before, and I think we did some virtual, like you said. But again, I'm so glad to have you back in the studio today. And you know, when you think of solar power, my mind does go to you. And so, you know, I first want to talk a little bit about the company overall. And I know we're talking a little warranty. That was a change you guys have had recently, right?
Yeah, we've always had the 25-year warranty on equipment and labor replacement, but now we're extending that to 30 years, which really helps our clients in a couple different ways.
Yeah.
Where it's backed by a third-party program that helps facilitate the replacement of equipment and the labor in situations where if the manufacturer cannot fulfill the warranty claim or replace the equipment, they step in and financially take that burden away from our customers.
And so to be able to get that 5 years, that is a big deal when people are, you know, looking at getting solar energy put on their homes.
Yeah, it's a great reassurance, especially for us as well, too. The solar industry is unpredictable sometimes, and with this, it helps us facilitate warranties for our customers, and it gives them that extra 5 years as well. 30 years is a pretty long time. And
two, you know, people think I might not be in my home for 30 years. What about if you choose to sell it? Is this something that does transfer homeowner to homeowner?
Yeah, that's the great thing about it. It's no transfer fees. It can transfer from homeowner to homeowner as many times with no hidden fees or any surprises in any way for our customers.
You know something, Billy, that I was just saying at the beginning, how many years you guys have been around and been able to help people and really lead the way in solar energy. And you were saying too, during the pandemic, people did see their electric bills go up, and you've been able to see it increase. And that's of course been a win-win for the company and a win-win for people as well, because you do hear often the savings that you're able to provide your customers with.
It's a financial and environmental savings for everybody that's going solar right now. And the warranty we've been around for 12 years, and we've seen it start with a 1-year warranty to 5 to 10 to 15 to 25 for the last 5 or 6 years now. And now that it's going to 30, it's really exciting and it shows how far solar's really come for the industry and for the customers buying solar, because the equipment is so reliable, so efficient. You can really depend on it to save you energy and also to help the environment.
I didn't realize that until you talked about the increments. Again, it just shows the confidence that companies do have in the material that you're able to put in. Hey, I don't want to run out of time, and I know you've got a special offer that you want to share with our viewers right now. What's that offer all about, Billy?
A free home surge protection with any solar system purchase.
Yeah.
We're moving into lightning season. It's the lightning capital of the world, I still believe, and it's something that we already include surge protection on your solar system, but we also want to extend that to your home so we can protect your entire home with all your appliances, TVs, everything that's valuable within your home.
Really? And that's something actually that is given in addition to, of course, the products that are ordered when it comes to that initial meeting that you have with families, right?
Correct. And it's about a $750 value, too.
Oh, wow. Good stuff. Well, thank you for taking care of our viewers. And as always, we appreciate talking with you. In fact, we're sharing the information from MayElectricSolar.com on your screen right now. Again, one of our home pros. There's the phone number as well, so you can get in touch with Billy and his team today.